Damn. 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 This beat is hotter than the motherfucker. I think I'm about to tear this motherfucker up. I think I'm about to split this bitch a new asshole and leave these build ass niggas in the grass hole. So what's going on? Shit is looking kinda funny, and these niggas taking smart kids for a dummy. So when they move up straight to the fucking top and watch these top names drop like a fucking cop. So what's new? What's old? What's poppin'? Everybody know that these O's ain't knocking. So what's going on? In 2 minutes I'll be rocking off. Everybody know your girl in the crib jocking off. So what's stopping you from making your move, dawg? I guess the money's too rude, dawg. I roll with a bunch of dudes looking cool, dawg. We just go outside and do what we do, dawg. So you can hate, you can wait, you can even stand outside and tape. Got a lawyer that'll chew you in the courts, motherfucker can't get through to ya. But still I get my way, I stay out of the pen. I roll with them niggas that got a couple of friends that go bust them tins at a couple of your men's and how you lay down on your damn ground. Yeah, I fuck up but always get back, that's my style. And if you niggas try to bite it, hit them like a child. And I don't even care who you be rolling with, nigga. I will hit a nigga quick, have it think I'm getting swollen, bitch. I don't play around, yes I lay it down, fucking clown. I don't know who you been rolling around, but I punch him down. Yeah, I know your crew is type hard, we heard about them, but we got a couple of shots we wanna burn about them. We know they hot, can you feel them inside you? I know them niggas talking with it beside you. Soon as I hit one off, they leave you, nigga. I can't believe you, nigga. They don't even believe you, nigga. Now we about to stand outside and start squeezing. Leave a nigga about to send his bitch ass to Jesus. I smoke another blunt and then I watch his ass bleed. Watch the little Bruce Jones that to his knees. See, I can't be stopped even if I go and fuck up. Your girl wanna come to my door, she wanna fuck up. She knocks 3 times and I let her right in. And I call her friends to come and do it again. It's me and my dude. Nigga L.O. SSG, we always stay mellow. Smoking that bud till we sky high, motherfucker. No cloud 935, we got motherfucker. We going out giving 5s to God, motherfucker. I can't believe y'all niggas is not hard. What's up, what's down, and who's in? That niggas looking like pussies, can I say it again? L.O. If you want another piece at it, go ahead, I might just leave a piece of beat at it. These niggas wanna talk shit, but we be street at it. Clicking and we clacking, hitting niggas in the feet at it.
How you gonna go against us knowing that we all gonna win? We always 12 deep, nigga, like bowling pins. And nah, we ain't hanging in the alley. You ain't gonna catch us for the rally. Catch us with the Patriots sort of fans up. I know it's a lot of people can't stand us, but then again we also build a fan club. A lot of niggas loving our music, they like the jam what? They on the dance floor with their pants up, cause we always know that we got them things up. Yeah, you deliver a message. Make sure this is ether, my nigga. We got perfected. Show these other motherfuckers, teach them a lesson. Let them know that our voice is a blessing on any given track, on any given day. Should be handed out plaques like, yeah, hip hop parade. Where the beat is stop. Here I go, SSG.